Hi friends, welcome to IntelliCloud. Today we will discuss a common error encountered when creating a lambda function and using Python libraries like Pandas. Generally, when we create lambda functions and using Pandas, the default configuration, we, u- we are getting this error like unable to import module lambda function, no module name Pandas. By default, lambda function do not include additional Python libraries like Pandas or NumPy. These libraries are not part of standard Python runtime in AWS Lambda. First, let's see the error, then what to do to get rid of this error. I have logged into my AWS console, select Lambda, create function, pandas error test. So here I am selecting Python latest one. The latest Python runtime is Python 3.13 and architecture is x86 and 64-bit, and I am not changing or I am not modifying any default configuration. Create function. Okay, function has been created. Let's modify the default lambda function. I have created sample code in order to save the time. So I am just pasting. So here I just imported pandas and I created one JSON string and I am creating a data frame using pandas. Okay, so after modifying the code, code is being deployed. So no error and it has been successfully deployed. To test this code, go to test tab. You can create one test event or you can simply click on test. So if you click on test, it goes with default test data. So here we got the error. The error is error message unable to import module lambda function, no module name pandas. Why we are getting this error? So this is expecting some libraries pandas, but that has not been included by default. How we can resolve this error? To fix this error, we need to configure the layers section in the AWS Lambda. There are two ways. One is manually create and use. Another one is use AWS Lambda manage layer. To do manually, download the libraries, install Python locally and package the libraries, create zip file and upload it into S3 bucket and add the layer to our Lambda function from S3. The other option is use AWS Lambda manage layer. AWS provides pre-built Lambda manage layers with a popular libraries like Pandas and NumPy. To select pre-built Lambda manage layers, go to manage layer page. So the link has been provided in the description. Find the right ARN. To find the right ARN, we need to select the region of our account. In our case, the region is AP Southwest 1. Python version we selected is 3.13. Copy the corresponding ARN from the AWS SDK layer list. Go to AWS Lambda Manage Layers, search for the region and select right ARN and copy. And add this AWS ARN to our Lambda function layer section. To do this, go to layers in our Lambda function, click on add layer and choose layer section and select specify ARN, paste the copied ARN, verify and click add, then save the Lambda function. Updating the Lambda function with the additional configuration. Lambda function updated successfully with the additional configuration just now we added under layer section. These are the additional configuration we just added. Now test the Lambda function. This time this will execute without any error. So this is what the result we return from the Lambda function. That's all for today, guys. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Please subscribe to my channel.